बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Up to here we already seen in previous video, so now we will continue this side. See, this is S304 and bottom of duct is 2800. So what I will do, S304 S304, here it is. I will place this side in, this side out. Okay, fine. And the duct size is 400 and 200. You can see here. Okay, 400 into 200. Can go up to here, no issue. Okay, now the duct elevation is 2800. Bottom elevation is 2800. Here you can see. Okay, you can verify by making the section. Here annotation, detail line, see 2800 bottom elevation. So now it is fine. So no longer need this section, delete. And this supply registered size is 600 150. So I will place 600 150 here. See, fine. And we can align with this to this. Okay, and this side to this side. Fine. And this register size is, I have to make 600 to 150. See. Fine. And we can place the return diffuser 300 by 300. can verify. It's connected. I don't want to connect. I want to place on ceiling. Okay. This is the ceiling. We can check. Okay. See, this is compound ceiling. So what I will do, just okay, fine. We can check what is the ceiling height. 2525. So now fine here. Everything is model. Let's check in 3D. See. Now this side also we can model. Okay. Inside lining here is all duct. Okay, so also we can do like select all and make the filter, check none, duct fitting, duct. Okay, and add insulation, add lining, because it is inside the duct, so it will called lining. This type fiberglass mainly is, and thickness is 25, and boom. So now see, we add inside lining. Okay, all duct. If it is outside, it will call insulation. Now it is same. The yes, see, and return diffuser. Only the unit is different. What is the size? 400 200. Size is also same. So what I will do, I will take one detail line from here to here. Okay, then I will select everything, make sure everything is selected. Here terminal duct, fitting duct, mechanical equipment. Okay, fine. And it's not highlighting, so no issue. And delete. Now again, let's try. Oh, sorry. Okay, Now the slightly change we can do, we can modify. Okay, and unit is S302. So S302. See 302. And in 3D we can verify. Yes. And in coordination we can adjust this class. Okay, or now we can do here. What I will do, just shift this side. It will place here. So, and also this side slightly. Okay, fine. And align with this. Okay, see. This one also finish, and this we can do. Okay, let's finish this one also. Copy. What is this one? Is 503. Is 503. And the size of this one is 450 to 100. No, this size is 450 to 100. What is the size of this duct? Is 550 to 50. Okay, what is 550 and 250? Can do. And after that, what is the size of the remaining duct? 300 to 100. 300 to 100. Okay, just come here, come here, come here, come here. And the registered size is 550 150. Fine. 550 150. So okay, 550 150. Here can align. Okay, now we can change the size. 550, 150. Okay, fine. And this one size is also 450, 250. This top size is. So what I will do, take, create similar 450 and 200. 450, 200. Okay, fine. And the registered size is same. Registered size is 550, 150. Okay, now I will change the size. 550 and 150. See, and here is the volume control damper, so I can place also the duct fitting duct accessories, VCD, here place. Okay, fine. And this diffuser, return diffuser 150, 150 also we can place. Return diffuser. Okay, what is 2525 was the ceiling height, and we can adjust. Okay, fine. We can check in 3D for cross verification. See, this is ceiling diffuser. Fine. Temporary we can hide. And here is also volume control damper. Create similar. Place the size is supply diffuser 150, 150. So we can copy and place here. Okay, and change this one to supply. This is all return 150, 150 supply diffuser. Okay, Also here is one supply diffuser. Okay, fine. All the outlet is placed. Fine. Now here we can only place one volume control damper. So create similar and place here. Fine. And this one we need to connect. So it's always better to connect in section. Okay. Here connect to this one. Yes. And what I will do, need to check in 3D. See, this shows should in the direction of the flow. Okay. So this is not, it means it is coming from that side. Okay. So it should be in that direction, not this direction, not this direction, this direction. Okay, because flow is coming from this side and it will come here. Fine. Oh, flow is coming from this side, so it will be in this direction, in this direction. Fine. So I connect the diffuser and this one also. Okay, one I have to connect here, this one, right? So let's connect. Here it is clashing too much. Connect to this side. And we can delete the section. So everything we finish here. Okay, after that we can start the piping and connect here. Okay, we will see in next tutorial. Here you can check in 3D, show, view, and fine. See, here this one is also fine. Here it is clashing, so I have to shift other side. We can adjust this little bit this side. Okay, and everything will be fine. Here it is clashing, so either I have to make down or up. We cannot change the gravity line. Okay, this two thing is fine, and here it is clashing. So we have to shift our equipment HVAC equipment, okay, because gravity line is more priority. So I hope you understand something from this video. If you learn, then subscribe so that you can get more and more real project based videos. Okay, you can say premium video and free of cost. So be on my channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.